Hello and welcome, guys, for the in another podcast with Mitali. She's a student of MH Law CT 3 years, and finally she converted GLC Mumbai, and she is here now. So today we'll talk and understand Mitali preparation strategy with regards to the all the section, whether it is English, logic, GK, and the your legal aptitude. Also, how many hours she devoted for in terms of the preparation material which she has used, and some other question also. Okay. So let's talk to Mitali and understand all the question answers. Hi, Mitali. So yeah, you can wave to all the viewers.
Hello everyone.
Okay. So yeah, Mitali, you can just start.
Okay, so has just briefed about. So in law entrance, MHCT law, we have four subjects, which is English, reasoning, logical reasoning, GK, current affairs, and
GK and current affairs
GK
combined.
and current affairs combined,
Legal.
and legal aptitude. So with legal aptitude, through classes everything was taken care of, because legal is one such subject which is new to everyone, and you will not find any material otherwise outside. So that you can be relaxed with the tutorials. The other three, which is English, reasoning, and GK and current affairs, that we need self preparation. So you need to give yourself how much ever time you it depends on you. So in English, basically what I did, I started my day with the Hindu. So you have to give the Hindu an hour of reading. So the best strategy is that you start reading. Initially you will take 45 minutes, you will take an hour, you might take 1 hour 30 minutes just to read the uh, editorials. And importantly, you have to start noting down the words that you're coming across. So the words will be it is not so that when you start with your reading, in just 15 days you will be pro and understand, you will understand all the words. So even after 3 months, because we were the batch which gave the exam after the lockdown, so that was a really long period. So it was me reading the Hindu for like 6 8 months. So you will, even after 8 months, come across the words which will be 15 20 words in one editorial. So it all depends on how the editorial has been written, and you need to give your hard effort, your reading, your time to it. So yes, it is all about your dedication towards your subjects, towards this entrance. Apart from the Hindu, reasoning also requires a lot of practice. The teaching part will be taken care of by Minova. There are different topics. When we gave, the pattern was IBPS pattern. So reasoning was tough. It was definitely tough. It had lots of puzzles. So the teaching part they'll do, you will understand the core concepts. But apart from it, you need to give your very much hard efforts. You have to be thorough with your practice, because a puzzle initially can start with an hour of you solving it, but later on it comes down to 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 3 minutes, depending upon the level of puzzle as well. But your hard efforts is needed. And similarly is with GK and current affairs. So here's the trick: when you start reading the Hindu in the morning, you read editorial portion of the Hindu. With that, when you are just giving a brief reading, even just a glimpse of whatever has happened in the day, that is enough for you to do the current affairs part. So in one go, you do two things: you do English, you do current affairs. Only for GK, general knowledge, you can read Lucent. Lucent is one book which you can refer, and you can do it quickly in like just 2 months or so. But you have to give a thorough reading to every section: English, polity, or sorry, history, polity, geography, and that should be good. And even after that, I think sir had given us a GK booster questions, so you can refer to that also if you're late in your preparation. And so you are done with GK, current affairs, English, reasoning. You have to give thorough practice. And legal, the material that you're solving, that is enough. That is actually enough.
So yeah, reading, as Mitali keep on emphasizing on the reading part. So obviously it is very important that since your legal section require lots of reading, your English reading comprehension require lots of reading, puzzle also require practice of practicing, as well as big paragraph you will get. तो उतना बड़ा पजल सॉल्व करने के लिए नीड टू बी गुड विद द रीडिंग पार्ट, क्योंकि फटाफट अपने को रीड करना है, देन वी हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. सो एवरीवेयर रीडिंग प्ले वेरी वाइटल रोल. तो रीडिंग अपने को थंब रूल व्हाट शी हैज डन बेसिकली द हिंदू डेली बेसिस पे, तो वो अपने को करना ही है, एडिटोरियल एंड द पेज वन जस्ट टू अपडेट विद द करंट डेटा. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. पजल के लिए प्रैक्टिस, सारे टाइप की पजल्स की प्रैक्टिस विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपने लीनियर सर्कुलर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, ये 3 टाइप के पजल जो आपको एग्जाम में आते हैं, बट इस साल ऑल्दो इट इज कोविड था और इस साल का जो पेपर था वो टफ था. मतलब 3 इयर्स में मैथ्स नहीं आता, बट मैथ्स का जो बट जो पजल का लेवल था उसमें मैथ्स इन्वॉल्व था. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर विथ वेराइटीज ऑफ क्वेश्चन, कि ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं एग्जाम में. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मिताली. प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी एंड हाउ मेनी आवर्स यू यूज टू प्रिपेयर, कितना टाइम डिवोट करे थे प्रिपरेशन को लेके? या
There's no time limit to how much time you can give. Honestly, it was COVID, so we had plenty of time on us. And I started my day early at 6 a.m. So, yes, it is your discipline completely that matters. Well, you also can be smart enough to, do this whole lot of bunch of studies in shorter span. But I believe in efforts and the discipline that I had throughout these months. So I started my day with 6 a.m. with the Hindu reading in one go. Till 8, I am done with the Hindu and the editorial part and my current affairs. And till noon, after my English, I used to practice reasoning, because that's what even Dev sir had told us, that noon is the time that actually, you are done with many things, so you can just sit down and practice your puzzles. So in reasoning, when you are done with one or two topics, so what you can do is, there's silogs, there are many things, the short topics, you can start practicing in one go. You can solve 30 questions a day or 40, that depends on how much practice you do. But with puzzle, you can definitely solve 3 to 4 puzzles a day. And so noon you keep for that. By the evening time, you can actually give 2 hours at least, because now it's Feb. So if you are planning for the 2021 entrance, you have 3 4 months, so you can give 2 hours a day for your GK. Some days you can skip, but at least a week, 4 days, if you are keeping for GK, you'll be done with the GK part. For legal part, you don't need to give a lot of time, because even an hour is enough. Even in a week, you're giving only 5 days for legal. So that is also taken care of if you're doing the Hindu in the morning. So when you're doing the Hindu, your reading skills improve drastically. You're very much faster in your reading, and your grasping and your understanding is good. So when you're doing legal, after having that much of practice, it becomes easier for you to actually do legal questions in a go. So you can practice maybe 15 20 questions. That should be fast enough. So legal will be taken care of if you're doing your reading part thoroughly, religiously. So religiously doing it is very important. So just two things. One is, if you're practicing your language very well, you are absolutely good to go with English and your legal also, and current affairs, three things in one go. And if you're practicing reasoning, then you're done with all the four subjects. That's the only thing. So discipline is the key.
right, right. Discipline is the key. Okay, so Mitali belong to Dadar branch, no? So Mitali is from Dadar branch, and she joined morning batch, no? Morning batch, and later on lockdown happened, so far it was online. Next question, Mitali. Study material and the mock test which you have been through of maneuver, how you compare it with the real exam?
Well, this time the real exam was actually tough. The exam was tough, but I scored 110 and plus in the mock exams. So when you're solving mock, this is very important. So this was told by our teachers over here, that do practice your mock right from the beginning. So this is very important over here. Many students might have told you before us as well. You might have seen many videos also relating to that, there is always a fear after you practice. Even after doing so many things, you can do it for 7 hours, you can also do 4 hours a day. So whatever time you're giving for your preparation, even after doing everything religiously, there might be a fear in you that, should I give the mock today? Then you keep on postponing. But that's something you don't have to do. please don't postpone your mocks. So the early you start giving your mock, yes, you might get 10 mocks, you might get a specific number of mocks. So you might feel that, I'll give all these 10 before the exam, so maybe just 10 days I have given for my mocks. But no, that's not going to happen. You will be having anxiety, you'll be having nervousness, there might be many different things you'll feel. So don't keep anything for the last minute. So the early you start with your mocks, there's also a thing that, you will get PDFs of the question papers, some question papers. So you, in between also, you can solve them if you want to, just let your nervousness go away. So even if today you have learned some topics, you know that reasoning, from reasoning you know at least 4 5 topics, and you know how to solve puzzle. You know English, you know some of the topics. From legal you have done some topics. If you have mock available right now, then a month before or 1.5 months before, so 40 days before, you actually go ahead and give your first attempt for the mock. And then gradually, just like in the period of 3 days, after 3 days, after 5 days, or at least after a week, you give each mock, you will see a progress. And not necessarily, because yes, some mocks I scored very well. I scored in one mock I scored 121, but then in other mock I came down to 106. So that also depends on the difficulty level of the exam, of the paper, the way it is set. So don't expect, in first I scored 86 or maybe I scored 70, so in the next mock I'll be like all with good marks. No, it's okay. Important, what helped me was me giving mock during my practice sessions, during before the exam, the time that I have. And when I sit for the exam, what happens, my nervousness goes away. I know actually how my what my game would be in the paper. So let the paper was difficult. It was I think this time many people had this thing, that time management, with respect to time management, with respect to many things, what we planned for, that didn't happen. But then mock practice was the thing which gave confidence at that moment, because it is just that 2 hours that we have. That's not going to come back. So whatever this practice, that's like a test prep. So if I have done that thoroughly, and even if that I have done that religiously, then that just helps me for my final day. So let whatever question they might throw me at, they might keep reasoning tough, they might keep English tough or whatever, but if you're prepared thoroughly, you're good to go with anything. So mock definitely helps.
So yeah, initially when you start writing the mock test, तो initial first mock to second mock में score कम आएगा, so you start feeling low, यार score नहीं आ रहा है, you get demotivated. But gradually if you write third fourth mock, marks बढ़ना increase हो जाएगा, score बढ़ना चालू हो जाएगा. There is no any particular time कि आप 30 days 40 days या 50 days पहले चालू करो mock लिखना, but हाँ it is advisable कि जब ये exam के near by हो तो mock पे ज़्यादा जोर दे दो basically. इनिशियली यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग लाइक 3 months 4 months, जब आपको लग रहा है मेरी प्रिपरेशन चालू हो गई है, आई हैव डन विथ माई प्रिपरेशन. व्हेन यू राइट फर्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि कितना आता है मुझे एंड व्हाट इज माई प्रिपरेशन लेवल, एंड ग्रेजुअली मॉक लिखना चालू करो. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मिताली. What tips and suggestion you want to give to all the students, those who are upcoming year aspirant?
Okay, so as I said, there might be 3 4 months now for you for your exam. So start early. Just don't delay your preparation. Don't set anything on the basis of somebody might have told you. But even a month before you can start and you're good to go with the exam. See, because the thing is, if law is what you have chosen, if that is something you bid on, that is something you want to build your career in, then don't play with that. So yeah, if you have any other plans, then that's your call. But when use most of the time that you have in your hands right now. Okay, and it depends completely how much of hours do you give per day for your preparation. But start when you have actually thought or made up your mind that, okay, this entrance I'm going to give, and I'm going to make a career in this, build a career in this, and whatever guidance you need, I think you can come down here to SOAR as well, and you can speak on that. You will get definitely some plan of action, what you need to do even ahead. So once you have made up your mind, do start your preparation right then, because that is going to help you while you sit for the final exam, because that's going to give you a leverage upon many students, because you're prepared thoroughly. And with everything, the strategy that you have marked or you have heard from the students, on the basis of that, whatever suits you, you can make that as a plan of action and just start acting on it as early as possible. That will help definitely a lot.
Okay. So, guys, that's it from Mitali's side, and very soon we'll be coming up another podcast also because this year many students got selected in GLC. Okay, this is what the achievement of Mitali. Basically, this is the appreciation of getting converting GLC Mumbai. So yeah, congratulations, Mitali. And yeah, she also eligible for the scholarship. So yeah, that is another kind of achievement. Thank you, guys. Yeah.